For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix SSL pending on Shopify. To start, the first thing you need to do is to go to this site, sign in or create your account. After signing in, go to Domain List, click the Manage button, go and click the Advanced DNS tab, and here, find the URL redirect record and click the X button. After that, go to Shopify and log into your account. Click the settings at the lower right corner of your screen and find the Domains tab. Click on it, and now you can see your domain and you're ready to go. That's it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.